Hey y'all, it's your girl Boo. Happy Thursday, you guys. Happy Thursday, yo. I am here. I'm on the road. Let's make this money, yo. I have my first order, $33 for 2 mayo, and I'm shopping for 35 items, y'all. 35 items. So let's make this money, and right now it's 1 p.m., y'all. It's 1 p.m. Is it this one? Let me check. Almost done. I have 8 more stuff to go. 8 more items to shop. Alright, let's go delivered. I'm done shopping for the order. And it's going only 6 minutes, y'all. 6 minutes. And let's go. Yo, the snow yesterday. As you can see outside, it wasn't that much snow, and it's all melted already. So that's why I'm able to come today to work to make some money. We received another offer, you guys. $16.70. It's going 5 mayo, and I'm only going to shop for 5 items, y'all. 5 items, and right now it's $2.29. All right, let's go shop this order. I might use this card because I put it over here anyway. Let's go. Back to my space. I didn't have a plan to work today at all, but around 12 p.m. you guys, I received a notification from Spark saying it's busy in your area. I was like, huh, it's busy. I said, well, let me go. Yeah, so that's what happened. That's why I even came at this time, because your girl act like I didn't have no plan to work today. But as soon as I saw that notification, I was like, I need to go. Oh, I lost my money, y'all. Oh, never mind. All right. So, I just received another order, you guys. $18. It's going 5 mayo, and I'm going to shop for how many items? Like 14 items. Going to shop for 14 items, so let's go. I was just walking by and I saw these sets. Yo, I love anything that have sets, yo. Super beautiful. I love sets. I think I'm gonna blue. I love it. I love that set over there. So let's go shop my items. I am here. Yo, that is good. So this person over here, I was delivering on I. Yo, it's a permanent and it's I. And I had this pet dog food, like I think it was 50 pounds. On my way here, I was like, oh my gosh, how am I gonna carry this on I. And I is like third floor, y'all. So thank God the guy was tracking me. As soon as I get over there, he came out. He was like, let me help you. I was like, oh my God, thank you so much. Yo, God is good. God is good. So I already dropped the order. So let's go back to get some more orders. So he helped me carry most of the heavy items, which I'm thankful for. I wish everybody was like that. When they know that they order heavier stuff, come help, you know? Or a lot of items, come help. If you're home, come help us. Come help. Anyway, let's go to give more orders. I wanna go home with 150 today. 150. It's busy, y'all. It's busy. That notification didn't lie. It's busy. Like I'm getting orders. As soon as I drop an order, boom, the other one comes in. So it's busy, y'all. It's busy with shopping orders. So let me go back. Oh, there's another order here. Let me see. Yep, just received an order. $15, you guys. Going, what is 6 mile? Yeah, 6 mile. I'm only going to shop for 3 items. 3 items. Awesome. Let's go shop for this order. Yo, this order over here, it was one of the easiest order that I ever shopped. Easy money. This was easy money. So this here is going on the nursing home. So she said to ring the doorbell to come. And I put it down and ring the doorbell. I think someone's gonna come and pick them up. For new driver out there, if they give you shopping order, do not accept the order before looking what's in there, what you're going to shop, you know. Like they just gave me $21 for 5 mile. That's good order. But when I clicked on it and went to check how many items, this one, like it has like 5 those how you call that? Never mind. It has 5 cases of water. It has like it was just a mess, y'all. Like I was like, no, I'm not taking it. 5 cases of water. So just be mindful. Be mindful. Remember, once they give you a shopping order, do not accept that order before you go check how many items you're going to shop. Or if they said it's going to be heavy stuff in there, go check what it is, you know. Go check if you can handle that. Just go check if you can handle that. So let's wait here and for another beautiful order. All right. Just received another order, you guys. $29. $29. Going 3 mile. And I'm only going to shop for 21 items. So grab our card and go shop this order as soon as I can, because right now it's 4, so I want to do 2 more order, 2 or 1 more order before I go home. So let's go shop this order. Done, all done. Let's go check out. Let's use this one here. Oops. Yeah, here you guys. Let's drop these orders. $10, you guys. Going to Mayo. I'm going to shop for 10 items. So let's go. Done, all done. Easy order, y'all. It took me no time to shop this order. So let's go deliver it. $602. Is it here now? It's this one here. Alright. I believe I'm gonna leave it in a garage. Yo, Spark, it's my favorite app out there. Let me say it again, yo. Spark is my favorite apps when it comes to DoorDash, Uber Eats, and Roti. I love Spark. So anyway, I think I came around, what time was it? Was it 1? Was it 2? I don't remember. Between those 2 hours. So, yo, I'm done. It's 6 right now. So shift is over and I made 128. My goal was to make 150, but I made 128, but I'm still grateful. Yo, I'm so grateful. We made 128, yo. And the other thing is, I'm almost on 1K. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe. Ooh, I'm not off yet. They just sent an order. I'm not gonna look at it because it might be a good order, and I'm done. I'm about to go in there, get one item, get out. So I'm not trying to not shop nothing right now. So anyway, what was I saying? Yeah. So a lot of percentages, people who watch my videos is people who haven't subscribed to my channel. Like 60% of people is not subscribed to my channel, and 40% of people who watch me, they subscribe to my channel. Please, if you know you watch my content and you haven't subscribed to my channel, please help your girl get to 1K. I'm almost there, but I believe I will be there soon as I know soon. So anyway, please don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up, like the video, comment down. Let me know how was your day today. How was your area today? Did you make some money? Anyway, bye guys. I'll see you tomorrow.